Welcome to the CX Cafe. My name is Rich Brose with MaritzCX, and I'm here this afternoon with Dan Allen of Bank of the West and Rich Dorfman from Eastern Bank, and we're going to be discussing retail banking and the future of retail banking. And Rich, as you think about the digital evolution with your customer base, are there some actions that you're taking to maintain competitiveness in that space, or how are you folks addressing that challenge?
It's a forefront question for our management team. It's a recognized area of focus. And to Dan's point, we recognize that the next generation of customers needs to be relevant to how we engage them. It's all about relevancy.
Right.
And as a strategic mission, we realize that a lot of our current retail customers are aging and retiring and moving. In order to attract the millennials who have grown up with technology, to Dan's point, banks have been typically laggards. So we've made a number of strategic initiatives. One is recognizing that our online and mobile banking platforms were Me Too at best. And in order to meet the expectations, not just in banking, of the Amazons of the world, the engagement of the remote banking universe, the millennials who prefer to engage through their iPhones and whatnot, we needed to up our game. And we are building our own technology around that to become more relevant in the way in which a millennial wants to interact, how, when. So that's one thing. We are also recognizing that just how conversations occur in social space. So we've upped our game and continue to do so in the social media platforms. When folks tweet, we have the ability now to respond in time in their mode and methods. So it is more of a relevancy opportunity, overlaying which we are also doing a segmentation program to understand more deeply what are driving the attitudes today and into the future, what our next generation customer is looking for.
Yeah, it seems like everyone is targeting the millennials now, and as they keep rapidly advancing and they're dealing with mobile apps, and it seems like a lot of institutions, not only banks, but a lot of other consumer companies have trouble kind of keeping up with them. Is that something you folks are experiencing too as you're building out your various platforms?
It's all about having conversations. You know, it's fairly simple in one respect. We need to understand what our customers are thinking and feeling and doing and wanting and not wanting in the moment. So part of our customer experience efforts are attempting to maintain that dialogue through surveys, through engagement online, through the social media sphere, through write-in comments. We're tapping into all of our listening posts better than we've ever done. We still have some work to do, obviously, but that insight, fixing issues as they arise, understanding systemic problems when patterns are seen. We're doing a better job now of using our customer's voice to make important decisions, whether it's around the product, the pricing, the way in which we communicate and build products into the future. It's basically having a giant town hall meeting ongoing and letting our frontline staff all the way up to our senior leadership team understand what our customers are desiring, because we need to remain relevant or else we will lose these customers.